Hi everybody, CANNA here. How the heck are you doing today? Today we're going to take a look at, well, Gamer Advantage shades. These things right here. Well, not really shades, they're glasses. They're actually blue light blocking lenses is basically what they are. There's a lot more to it than that, but I cannot game with sunglasses on as much as I think it's cool to do so. It's challenging. These are polarized, whatever. These are not the glasses we're looking at here today. Today we're looking at what I've been wearing while gaming. If you've been watching me on Twitch, links below, I've been wearing these things on Twitch like for the past quite a while. Now, I hooked up with this company and I was interested in them because my eyes started getting very fatigued. I found myself rubbing my eyes, having a hard time falling asleep at night, really feeling wired and burnt out, and my retinas were sore at the end of long gaming sessions or excessive whatever, editing. Doesn't matter what you do in front of the computer for any length of time. It can fatigue your eyes after a while. It's just the nature of the beast. Now, one thing that sets these puppies apart from everything else, besides them being like super sexy, and as you can see in the background, they're all flexible and everything. There's a whole bunch of different things, different options to go over. We can take a look at that in a second here. But one of the things that I really like about these versus not all the others, but let's say pretty much most of the others, everything else I've seen anyway, they pretty much all have sort of a yellow tint to them, slightly. And in doing so, it changes the color grading of your gaming experience or video or photo editing experiences. And if you want to maintain as close to a 1-to-1 color grading as you possibly can, and still have the shielding, these are your things right here. So let's go take a look at a little bit of the technology here behind this. There is two major schools here of lenses. There's sort of a more basic, the focus one here is a little bit more for the average user, and then this one over here is it says it increases melatonin levels by 96%. I'm not exactly sure how it can do that, but I notice it. I'll be honest. Since I got these glasses and I've started wearing them gaming, I wanted to give them a good, thorough review before I did this video right here, before I actually talked about it in any shape or form, and I wanted to make sure I had, a good amount of use under them. Do I feel a difference? Yes. Do I recommend them? Yeah, actually, I kind of do. Which is why I'm making this video, obviously. First off, I gotta be honest with y'all and state that Gamer Advantage did comp me these glasses for free. That was not under any major condition that I had to state that they were good or anything like that. It was just to give them an honest review when I got around to a chance to using them for a while. And I like them. I really do. If you watch my streams, like I said, I'm almost 99% of the time wearing them unless I forget or something. I am wearing these things. I do feel easier sleep, whatever. But I also got this one over here. I got the sleep one, which is just a bit more of an intense. They're REZME, Resme, whatever. Their lens technology. This particular model is a little bit stronger. So here's some of the claims it's got here. We got blocks sleep disrupting blue light. Talked about that. Sets true color lenses. Still was talking about that. Melatonin, I said something about that. Headset compatible, as you can see. These things, because they're flexible, they kind of tuck up against your head really well, and when I put my headphones on, I don't notice them. If they were rigid frames, you would notice them, like pressing on the sides of the arms, and because of their nice flexibility, it's not a big deal. They're designed for gamers, man. Come on, they think about these things. Increased focus and alertness, I don't know how they can rate that, but sure. Glare reduction, yeah, I mean, there is glare on them as far as a little bit of lighting in here, but my lighting sucks in this studio, so you really can't blame them much on that one. Repels water and dirt. Well, it's plastic and stuff, so of course it does. And also, you can get it in prescriptions. If you've got a prescription eyeglasses or something, you can get them in your prescription, which is fucking pretty... is pretty cool. Light blocking power. Others block around here. They block around there. Cool. So here's some comparisons. I'm kind of in the way here a little bit. Ugh. I'll try to lean over here. There we go. I'll lean over here for a bit. Safe to use all day. I actually have went out of the house with these things on a few times. I've had a few people say, "Hey, Cannabis, you look pretty smart with glasses on. I didn't know you wore glasses." And I was like, "Oh shit, am I still wearing these things?" It's been kind of easy to honestly get. I've walked out of the house a few times with these things. It does this, it does that, and that's all pretty cool stuff, man. There's a couple other things going on here. Let's take a look at the shop. Let's actually look at a pair of these. Just to show you what I'm currently wearing is these guys right over here, the Waldens. Unfortunately, at the current time of recording this video, they don't have any black left. They were kind of a limited edition, but these are the green ones. Do they look green? They kind of look like black frames, but if you take them up close, I'm wearing I got a green screen on, but if you can see them against my beard, they look kind of like smoky, right? Honestly, I don't see really much of any effect of the green screen. That was my concern. I was like, I hope it doesn't. I said, if it does, I'm going to try to paint them or something like that. And it's good. These ones here in particular were pretty cool. Now, not sure which one to pick. They've actually got a pretty cool... Oh, this is talking about the different lenses and stuff, right? Now, I'm not sure if it's still here, but on some of these glasses, you can test them on your face already. So let's go up here to one of their more popular ones up here, the Inferno. This is a pretty popular one. Yeah, virtual try-on. It's not going to work because I'm using the camera already. But trust me, what it does is it'll access your camera and you can stand in front of here, and then you can it'll like augmented reality, put the glasses on you so you can cycle through the different lenses and colors and stuff and see which one honestly looks better on you before you can kind of try before you buy. I can't do that right now because I'm using my thing here. So yeah, we're just gonna I'll just talk about that. That's right there. It's called the virtual try-on. Go check it out. It's actually pretty cool. It's what made me decide I wanted these ones here. I went through a bunch of the different ones. These are the most indestructible ones. These are the ones they're showing on the front. That video of them bending them and stuff. These are they're popular units, I guess. Let me back up here. There we go. And for example, like this Horizon one comes in clear. You can get them in clear, in funky bonfire patterns, or fluorescent greens, or purple, or whatever, man. And yeah, they got a couple of different styles, as you can see here. I'm kind of in the way. I'm gonna dodge and leave here for a second. Anyway, I don't recommend a whole lot of products unless I honestly like them, and you guys should know that by now. And I have to say, thank you very much, Gamer Advantage. You've made a big difference in my sleep, and that is something that you can barely put a price tag on. Well, you can put a price tag on it, and I can help you with that price tag by offering you a discount. So yeah, here's a little discount here for, and if it's not magically appearing up on screen here, it's a link or something below like that. I'll pin it in the comments and post it in the description and stuff like that. So you can just go look below and you'll figure it out if you want to come check these things out, because I am thoroughly impressed. I don't know what else to say. I really like them, and I have felt a difference since wearing these glasses. I guess the best way to say it is the fact that I use them on the regular, unprompted, should tell you right off the bat that they are as good as they're claiming to be, and I do like them. Anyway, thank you very much here. Don't forget to like the video if you like the video one way or the other, whether you're getting the glasses or not, if you were entertained. Hit that subscribe button and all that kind of stuff. And once again, if you want to go check out these glasses, all the info's below. All that kind of information. And for a third time, I believe, thank you again, Gamer Advantage. I really love the glasses. And I hope this brings a few people your way. Cheers, everybody. Happy gaming.